Women and Social Transformation in India Experiences and Challenges 2026 ki matang da chathaba Nomagyoiba National Seminar ama Manipur University da pangthokrai. Seminar asi Manipur University Working Women Association na Internal Complaints Committee amasong Women Studies Center ga kusam naduna Manipur University ki court hall da pangthokpani. National Seminar Hongdokpagi Thoramda Manipur University Working Women Association ki President L. Memchana Nupi Singi right yamna lay Thodang yamna chawi hairabasu Nupi Singna Nupi Oibiki right duty amadi law singbo Ningtina Kangba Mathoktai haiki Loinana Nupi da Thokliba crime sing Hanta Hanba Ngamnaba awareness kaya pangthokani haina phongdokhi Seminar asada mapalamgi expert kaya na Nupi Singi oiba rights duty amasong law gi matangda Wangangki technical section ahum thokna khana nainari Thoram aduda Manipur University ki VC Professor and Lokendra Assam Women's University Jorhat ki Vice Chancellor Professor Azanta Borgohan Rajkonwar Manipur University ki ICC ki President Officer Professor RK Loniwala susarukya
Women sing asi education, leadership, adegi atopa any area da loina ma akhoi gi thodang kaya ama puduna la shuyam na di akhoi se wang bathak te pukhat pire adubo challenges mayam de adum leiri akhoi na masi awareness ama porokpa nupi singda akhoi gi rights kari le imung manung da violence solokpa natraga su samaj da violence solokpa matamda akhoi gi kari rights le from legal point of view akhoi legal expert su yaujari akhoi sina si gumba se discussion tawraba matungda akhoi na masi kayam na handabang amna ba akhoi awareness amadi darkar leibadu akhoi pizage haina su tawje